Hi home bakers, welcome back to Cookin' and Crumb. These fluffy moist pumpkin whoopie pies are filled with a maple crema and a must for full baking. To start, brown butter in a saucepan, pour it into a mixing bowl and allow it to cool completely. And preheat your oven to 190 Celsius. Once butter is cooled, add both sugars to the mixing bowl until combined. Then add mashed pumpkin and 2 eggs and mix until combined. In a separate bowl, add all dry ingredients together and stir before sifting the flour in 3 parts into the wet mixture. Fold the spatula until flour is combined. Using a 2 tablespoon scoop the mixture on a lined baking tray. They should be spaced apart enough for a little spread. I am using a quarter sheet pan because I only have a small oven, but you will probably be able to fit more than 3 at a time in your oven. Place them in the oven for 9 minutes. Once out of the oven, allow them to cool completely on the baking tray. While they cool, let's make the maple crema in just 3 ingredients. In a mixing bowl, bloom the gelatin in water for at least 5 minutes. While that happens, add maple syrup to a saucepan with a candy thermometer and heat on medium until it reaches 175 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. Immediately pour the hot sugar syrup into the gelatin mix and mix with a whisk attachment on low for 2 minutes, then gradually add speed once it cools down a little. This will go from a brown liquid to double in size and white and fluffy with marshmallow peaks. Once the marshmallow has stiff peaks, work quickly and add it to a large piping bag. Pipe the marshmallow maple crema onto 5 cooled whoopie pie bases. Then place the other 5 tops on top of the whoopie pie crema mix. Allow them to set at room temperature for at least 30 minutes. These are best eaten the day you make them. Now the fun part of cutting inside. Look at how fluffy the whoopie pie is with its moist from the added pumpkin and the fluffy marshmallow filling. These can be frozen for up to 3 months. You can find the full recipe on my website cookinandcrumb.com, and I have been developing a gourmet cookie recipe, red velvet style, which will be up on my website soon. If you are interested, let me know below.